I've been writing for Medium for a while now, and I've been pretty happy with the results. I've managed to make a little bit of money from it, and I think it's a great opportunity for anyone who wants to start making money online. So in this video, I want to talk about how the Medium Partner Program works and how much I made for my very first paycheck. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jed De Jesus, and I'm on a journey to make money, pay off debt, and build wealth. If you're on the same path as me, or you just want to learn about making money online or side hustles, then you've come to the right place. If that is the type of content you're looking for, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so that you get notified of new content. And with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing. I've always been interested in finding new and effective ways to earn money online for the things that I already do. I've seen some videos and articles talking about how Medium is a great way to make some money online, so I did some extra research. As it turns out, I already learned about Medium years ago and made an account just to dabble as an online writer. Now, this was at a time when I was still new in affiliate marketing, and I joined this group called Wealthy Affiliate. But that never really got me anywhere because I wasn't really into it, and I really never had any incentives to keep on trying. But it was only until a year ago that I learned that Medium had created a partner program. So I decided to log into my account and give it a try again. Medium, for those who don't know, is designed specifically for writers who want to make money online writing articles or stories, as they call it. I was really excited about this opportunity, but the big problem was I did not know what to write. I'm not a writer at all. But then I realized since I was already making content for YouTube, why not turn those videos into articles or stories instead? Now, this ended up becoming a great way for me to start again with Medium, and that is how I've been making some extra money on the side. So now let's talk about what the Medium Partner Program is. Simply put, it is a program that allows you to earn money through your articles or monetize your stories. It's the same as being a YouTube partner, but only through written content. But in order to be eligible for the Medium Partner Program, you have to do the following. The first one is that you need to have published at least one story. The second, you must have at least 100 followers on your profile. And then lastly, once you're able to be accepted into the Medium Partner Program, you have to stay active and publish at least one story every 6 months. Now, there are two ways to earn through the Medium Partner Program, and the first one is through member reading time. According to Medium's FAQ, they calculate reading time based on the amount of time that a viewer spends actively reading on the page. They consider the viewer's scrolling and activity and then determine how long the viewer spent reading the story. The second way to earn is through their referred membership. Medium also offers premium membership where you can read premium articles. If you refer people to become members, then you get half of their membership fee, less processing fees. So now this moves us to the next section of this video, and that is how much have I actually earned in Medium as a writer. So I started writing again in Medium back in January of 2022, but before rejoining, I already had 38 followers in my account. Then I reached 100 followers in June, writing only 4 stories a month. I didn't get into the partner program until July 10 simply because I forgot to do so. Then at the end of July, I was really surprised to get an email saying that my first paycheck from Medium was coming. So from July 1 to 31, I only monetized one story, and that one story generated me, here we go, 24 cents. Yes, you heard that right. That is only 24 cents for my first paycheck from Medium. It's quite small, to be honest, but it's still a good achievement for me. It's basically proof of concept that I can start making money online writing stories that I like. Then from August 1 to 31, I wrote more stories and made 85 cents. At this point, I knew that I really had to start writing more stories that catches people's attention. I could already see the potential of this platform becoming a passive income stream for me. But I faced an issue. I got so busy. I was focusing more on other things, such as growing my agency. Plus, I had other responsibilities that was pulling me away from writing more on Medium. But I didn't want to give up on Medium because it's such a great way to start making money online. Once a story is written, it can continue to earn for months and years on end. I just have to find the time to write more and keep up with my audience. So for September, I wrote more stories. But the difference for this month was that my stories generated 2 membership referrals. And that boosted my earnings to $6.69. $2.15 came from my stories views, and then $4.54 came from those referrals. I was shocked at how much you could actually earn from referrals alone. I didn't even do anything extra. My only job was to turn my video content to written content. This really gave me the confidence that what I was doing in Medium was actually working. But now we move to October 1 to 31, where I earned $5.31. For this month, $3.04 came from my stories and only $2.27 from memberships because one referral canceled. While that may not be a big deal, it got me thinking, why did this person actually actually canceled? Did they not get any value from Medium or from my stories maybe? To be honest, I really don't know. But at least this scenario gave me some perspective that not everyone is going to stick with the platform, and that is totally okay. So those are my earnings for Medium so far. It's not a really big amount, it's a small amount, but it is something that I'm very proud of. I know if I keep writing more valuable stories, I'll eventually earn more money in the future. And if you're interested in trying your hand at making some money through Medium as well, then I highly encourage you to do so. The Medium Partner Program is a great way to turn the stories that you love to write into an opportunity to bring in some extra cash. Now, before we end this, I'd like to share with you some of the things that I learned while writing in Medium in case that you want to try this as well. So first, I learned that you have to keep on writing. Consistency is key. If you really want to make big money, then it's not just about publishing once and calling it a day. You need to stay active on Medium by continuing to publish regularly. This could be once or thrice a week, or maybe even once a month. The more you can do on a regular basis, the better. It increases your viewership and the probability of one of your stories to go viral. Now, second, I learned more about doing research. Like every content creator, research is just part of the process. It's important to make sure that your content is accurate and well written. I played around with different writing styles, added relevant images, keywords, and data, basically anything that would make my stories better. Third, I learned how important it is to find the right audience for your content. There are so many different topics on Medium, so how do you make sure that your articles or your stories are finding the right audience? I've found success by targeting specific topics and tags in my writing, which helped me find my ideal audience. And lastly, this is the fourth one, I learned how to leverage publications. Even if you just started, you can join publications, which are basically groups of writers who have a common theme and share a common goal. In a nutshell, it's basically similar to a magazine. Being part of a publication can boost your readership and your engagement on Medium, ultimately leading to more views and higher earnings. So overall, it's been a great experience. I'm really excited to continue writing stories and earning more money through Medium. I really hope that more people will be interested in trying this out for themselves, because who knows how much you can actually earn. You might be able to earn more than I did. The possibilities are endless, and you might be a better writer than me and you'd get more people to read your stories. If you have written in Medium and started making money already, then share your experience below. I'd love to hear your first paycheck story. If you haven't tried Medium yet, then give it a shot. If you like writing and would like to make some money from it, then this could be a great opportunity for you. And that is all I got to say. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned from it. If you have any questions regarding my Medium experience or my earnings, let me know in the comment section. And if you like content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new content just like this one. And if you are on Instagram, please add me there at DailyDread so that we can be friends, we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!